Hi guys, it's Karina. Today I'm excited to introduce a great kitchen machine. The Waffle Maker is a perfect choice for home use or small cafes. What makes it unique is it is round flat design, which ensures even cooking and gives just a crispy texture every time. The compact size makes it easy to fit into any kitchen. It heats up quickly with 220 wattage and 1 kilowatt power. And the temperature can be adjusted up to 300 degrees, so you can make your waffles exactly the way you like. Plus, it builds a timer, so you can set the cooking time with ease. Made from durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean and built to last. The weighing, only 7 kilograms, is lightweight and easy to store. And you want to know the price? Just comment like below or email us directly. And next time, we will explore more kitchen products. Don't forget to follow us. I'm Karina, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye!